Hello, Julie here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have got a video showing my new digital kit. I've called it Fabulous Florals. It's a bright kit, let's put it that way, colourful. It's got 7 background pages, 21 journal pages, 16 pages of embellishments for a total of 44 pages. I am also putting together a freebie. The freebie has got 2 journal pages and 1 page of embellishments. So with the freebie you get 47 pages in total. So these are the background pages. So I'm just going to flip through them and you can see what I'm talking about. So the watercolour is the theme right throughout. It's bright though, isn't it? I'm looking forward to using this. I need a bit of a colour change, so this is it. So they're my 7 background pages. Then I've got the 21 journal pages. Let's have a look at those. So these are like, you know, you put in your journal, fold them in halves. You can print the background pages on the backs of them, of course. Okay. I've used these bright flowers, these colourful pink, mauve, blue flowers all the way through. I mean, different versions of them, they're not all the same. If this page is too much, you can always fussy cut the flowers out and use them as embellishments on your page, on your projects. I think it's colourful, but not too bright. I mean, it is bright, but not overpowering. I don't think it is anyway. Some might. But I thought it might be nice to have something with some colour, but still those muted sort of creams in the background. And then we've got the 16 pages of embellishments. So these, just cut them out and use them. You could use them as a pocket, you could use them as a just an embellishment, say on your front cover, something like that. Lots and lots of uses for those, I think. They could be just, you know, at the base of your start of your embellishment when you're doing a tag or something like that. We've got some postcards. These are actually that one there, oh no, I can't remember. And then we've got 2 pages of fussy cut flowers, assorted types, some different sizes, different flowers. 2 pages of those. And we've got some tags, some washi, little booklet folders and file folder, envelope, slide cover, label. Here's a larger one of those booklet covers, a tiny envelope, a small rectangular envelope, a bit more washi there. This is one of those pockets that you fold like you put them back to back, glue through here, around here, and then you've got a pocket there and a pocket there. Thank you to Mandy for that. And that's Mandy at Sunflowers and Doors, and a few labels here. Actually, Mandy's got a video of constructing one of these pockets, so if you want to know how to do that, pop over there. Here we have a, I don't know what you call it, you cut this out, you fold it in halves, and you've got like a freestanding pocket there, or an envelope, whatever you like to call it, and there's another envelope there, probably better that way. A large envelope and some washi. File folder, so that folds up, of course. We've got another slide cover there, some smaller labels and some smaller washi. Another one of those folding pockets and a smaller envelope. Some full page like width pockets, one for your right, one for your left, and a slide cover and a label. These are two side pockets, so they go like that on your page, and a large slide cover, and some smaller tags. You've got the normal tops and the round tops on those. Okay, now this is the freebie. So we've got a file folder there, we've got a coin envelope there, and we've got some washi there, and we've got a background page, oh well, a journal page, and another journal page. So there we go. So that's my latest digital kit. It will be available in my Ko-fi and my Etsy, and of course the freebie will be available in my Ko-fi. So yeah, pop over, I'll put links in the description box. Please grab the freebie at least and have a play. Alright, well thanks for dropping by, and I hope you've enjoyed my flip through, and I hope you can join me when I post my next video. Okay, bye.